Okay guys, so this video is about how to change room price on booking.com website. So you need to log into your admin section, admin booking.com. Here you need to find such page, rates and availability. Click on calendar. So it's loading, and here you can see dates what are closed for booking. You can basically click on any day like this here, and it will be closed. So how to change rates? So as you can see, I have different rate plans. You can add these rate plans, rates and availability. Here are rate plans. You can open this page. Here you can add new rate plan if you like. You can also edit current one, like for example price, if you want to change. Now it shows that if you want to change price, you should move back to calendar like this. Here, for example, you would like to edit this. So these prices are so my main plan is daily, and if you would like to change it, I can select dates like this. So I will select date and like this, yeah. And for example, I would like to change it to like this, yeah. And it open. So for example, I will add 20 cents more. Okay, rooms to sell one. Click on save. And as you can see, all these plans are also changed. You can also change from here, so click on edit. Here you can change, so normal price. Yeah, so in order to change it, I need to first edit on daily. Here you can change how many people you would like to host. Rooms to sell. If you have more than one apartment, you can click on bulk edit. Select how many rooms you would like to sell. Price also from here, for example, daily. Here you can select from what date till what. So for example, I would like to change price from December till next December, right? So 1 year. Rooms to sell, rate plan, and here you can enter price, room status, closed or open, restrictions. Like restrictions, it's like 2 days minimum to order to stay, yeah, like this. So this is a second method on how to change it. So yes, so first one is simply change here, select like this, and put price what you would like to change. If you have some restrictions, for example, I have reservation and I need 1 day for cleanup, so I can close here, and the next reservation I will get from Sunday 14, yeah, like this. And the second method, what you need to do, what you can use in order to change rates and availability is rooms to sell. Here you need to click on book edit, and here you can make all changes as well. So two methods how to make changes. Hope this video was helpful. Please make sure to check my other videos about booking, and if you have any questions, please comment under this video. Okay guys, have a nice day. Bye.